Here I have OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the password and security. Then what we're going to do is to add the fingerprint. So firstly you have to set up screen lock password. You can set up numeric, pattern or alphanumeric. So I'm just gonna use the simplest of passwords, just a 4-digit PIN. So you enter your PIN, you confirm it. Then you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, and tap on it with your finger several times. Just like this, in order for it to remember your fingerprint. A few more taps. And after fingerprint is added, you have to enable app lock here in the fingerprint sensor section, then you have to set up privacy password. So it's like you can set the same password as you have on your lock screen, but you can also change use other password, but I'm gonna use the same one. It's no difference for me. Then you have to answer security question, like pick one of those or just set up a custom question. So, and now we can lock apps. In order to do this, you have to go to the privacy section, then go to the app lock, confirm your identity by scanning your fingerprint or just use privacy password. Enable app lock, and now we can lock apps. So let's lock, for example, Chrome, contacts, Drive, and something you want to hide from someone else. Minecraft for sure. So now let's try to open Chrome, and as you can see I can't access Chrome without my privacy password or my fingerprint. And what else you should know, that this feature works the way that after you once opened Chrome, it will be opened all the time until you lock the screen. And after you lock the screen, then you unlock it, and Chrome will be locked too again. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.